Our experienced welders play a crucial part in the production of the generators and switchgear developed here on site. We asked our welders why they would recommend welding as a career, and they came up with some great advice. Are you good with your hands? Do you like creating, designing, and repairing things? Welding is a brilliant career for those who want to be involved in the production of something great. It's a really proud moment when you see a project you've worked on being shipped to the other side of the world. It is a much safer profession than you might expect. State-of-the-art welding masks and helmets with extraction systems have made welding a much safer job, and we don't work in dim, dirty factories, as you might expect. Welding requires a specific set of skills, but you don't have to spend years in education. You can learn your trade on the job, supported by highly skilled craftsmen, and you can work on some really unusual projects. Welding is a stable career. The demand for experienced welders is really high. A great welder will never have a problem finding work. Advanced Diesel Engineering offers welders the opportunity to develop and advance their skills to a high level in a safe and supportive environment, producing first-class generator products to an international market.